Hello everyone. Today in this video you will learn how to find out value and posting date for raw material and finished goods. Raw material and finished goods are normally batch stock items. You can find out the quantity using SAP T codes MB52 and MB5B, but you can get its value and posting date from another T code which is MB51. And you can extract these reports into a spreadsheet, and then you have to use the VLOOKUP formula to obtain the information of value and posting date from MB51. In MB52, we can give the material range, or we can give here material type, and we can execute the report. In MB52, as you can see, it's a very detailed report, so you will get many information including the value, but you will not have the posting date, the last posting date of either raw material or finished good, because we are normally concerned with the last posting date or say the final posting date in order to create inventory aging report. Now if we come to MB5B, if we select this storage location batch stock option, because raw material and finished goods are normally in batches, and then we select only materials handled in batches and execute the report. So as you can see, the quantity is available but not the value. Batch number is available but the posting date and the value is missing. So once we have extracted the reports from MB5B or MB52, then we have to execute another T code which is MB51. In MB51, we can either give the material range of raw material or finished good, or we can do is we can copy paste the batch number in the report extracted from MB5B or MB52, and we can simply copy paste those batch number in MB51 by using shortcut key Shift F12. We are going to press this block and then we are going to press Shift F12. All the batch number will be copy paste, and as I told you earlier that we are concerned with the last posting date in order to calculate the inventory aging report. So we have to write the storage location, which is the final storage location for either raw material or FG. And similarly, we have to mention the last movement type from the point of time it became your raw material or it became into your finished good. Once we have completed these prerequisites, we are going to run the report. Then, as you can see in MB51, there is amount available, there is posting date available, which is required for us. Our job was to find out the posting date and amount. So in MB52, amount was available, but not the posting date. While in MB5B, posting date and amount both were missing. So our final step is to use the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP formula, I have made a separate video on VLOOKUP formula on how to use VLOOKUP. So you can easily learn how to apply VLOOKUP formula in MB5B or MB52 sheet to obtain information from MB51. That's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.